In this video, you'll learn how to add a poll to your WordPress website. By following these steps, you will be able to create an engaging poll that encourages interaction from your visitors. Start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. From there, go to the post section and select the post you want to edit. You can do this by clicking on all posts and then finding the specific post in the list. Once you locate the post, click on the title to open it in the editor. Next, look for the plus button, which is typically located at the top left corner of the editor. Clicking this button will open a menu that allows you to add various types of content blocks. In the search bar that appears, type poll to quickly find the poll block you need. After searching, you will see the poll block represented by a bar chart icon. Click on this icon to insert the poll block into your post. Once the block is added, a new section will appear where you can enter your poll question. Type your question in the designated field. Make sure it is clear and concise to encourage responses. Below the question, you will find options to add your answer choices. You can typically start with the default option and then click Add option to include more answers. Continue this process until you've included all desired options for your poll. Once you are satisfied with your poll setup, look for the Update or Publish button at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this button will save your changes and make the poll visible to your website visitors. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your post, there may be a brief loading period while the changes are processed. After the update is complete, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your post has been updated successfully. You can now view your post to ensure the poll appears correctly, allowing visitors to engage with your content effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.